Inverell's Festival of the Horse, Inverell Racecourse and Equestrian Centre, 18th to the 20th of November, plus a horse sale November 21st. Becky Cole live, plus Australian 10 Pegging Championship and tribute to the Horse Spectacular. Visit festivalofthehorse.com.au.
The girls will be here any minute. Don't let that freshly clean scent fade away. Revive it on your cushions, your curtains, anywhere in your home with Airwick Aqua Mist. It's inspired by nature to give your home that freshly clean scent. Smells so fresh, smells so clean. Revive the fresh clean scent in your home with Airwick Aqua Mist.
Years ago, my uncle used to tell me about this magical place where you could ride a wave to National Park for a mile. I used to dream about that. That was why I decided that I wanted to make this the place where I live. I love my job. Teach people to surf, have a great time, catching waves. And a lot of people say I've got a pretty good job. It's only a short 2 to 3 k's to the beach. I'm only in the car for 5 minutes.
At Yui, how you use or don't use your car, save your business. Call 13 Yui or go to yui.com.au.
At Taronga Western Plains Zoo in Dubbo, you are surrounded by magnificent wildlife in wide open plains. With conservation at the heart of everything we do, you'll encounter rare and endangered animals like black or white rhinos and cheetah, or get up close to a giraffe. Enjoy a unique family experience as you explore the zoo on our bikes and cars. Make Taronga Western Plains Zoo your next wild adventure. Visit taronga.org.au.
Every runner wants a shoe that's comfortable, and comfort comes from Fit. The new ASICS Gel Kayano 17 with ASICS gender-specific technology adapts to the different features of male and female biomechanics. For ASICS, comfort equals performance, and I've never met a foot I couldn't fit.
After 6 days in space, Apollo 13 has limped back towards Earth orbit. The exhausted crew have transferred back into the command module and now cut the lunar module free.
We thought that we lost a good friend.
It was a miracle machine in a way and saved our lives.
The command module is now alone.
I know all of us up here want to thank all of you guys down there for the very